Girls, I was requested to do a full face makeup tutorial, and I don't mean like my everyday face. This is like more of a, like, let's say I was going out and I wanted to be beat and snatched. We're going to be doing that kind of makeup today. I'm not really crazy with the eyeshadows anymore. I just feel like with me getting older, they make me look older. So I'm going to put like a little bit of shading on my eyelids, but like nothing crazy. So over here for eyeshadow tutorial, I don't know, but we're going to do like the full face. Also, I was asked to do eyelash application, so I'm going to do eyelash application and show you guys how I put my lashes on. Also, I'm like super duper tan right now, so hopefully my makeup matches. If not, I don't know. I've been outside, so yeah. I'm just gonna prime my eyes. This is old. I still use it. This is Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer. I'm just gonna put some of this on. My contour powder, but it's like a warm brown shade. It's like whatever you use to contour, you can just put it on your eyes. I'm just using a fluffy blending brush, and you can do like windshield wiper motions and just bring it across like this. I could drag mine out just a little bit, up, out. And then whatever highlighter I plan on using for today, I just put that across my eyes. You can also do it with your finger. I'm just using a smudge brush, but you can take your finger in there and just blend it out. I'm just going back in with that fluffy brush. I'm not adding any product to it. I'm just blending so there's no lines. I'm gonna do a little bit of eyeliner. What you want to do first before you put your lashes on, you want to make sure they're going to fit your eye, because a lot of times they be too long and girls don't trim them first. You want to trim them, well, if they're too long. So I just like to put it on and see how it looks. I actually like this one. Remember, I could trim it because like it's real close up here, but I think I'm gonna leave it like that. But like, let's say you put it on and it's too long. What you would do is you would trim it from the back. Don't trim in the front, because the shorter lashes are in the front of the lash. Like if I was going to cut this, I would cut half of this corner piece first. Like not the whole thing off, just like half of it. Try it on, see how it looks, and then go. But like to me, I like the length of these today, so I'm not going to cut them today. I'm going to link everything down below that I can find, you guys. So don't worry about that. Put the glue on the strip here. So where you see this, I do a very light layer too. So I squirt some out first, and then I'll drag it across the lash before I add some more. Squirt. Hopefully I'm in frame. It's probably looking at my face rather than lash. But just make sure I do a light layer and then spread it out and let it dry. So squirt a little bit, spread it out, squirt a little bit, spread it out, squirt a little bit, spread it out. Then while these is dry, I'm just going to put on a little bit of mascara. Helps your lashes blend better with the lashes. So I fold my lashes like this to get that bend in them, because like normally they're really straight when you first pull them off the tray. Always use a mirror and look down, because like you want to get this as close to your natural eyelashes as possible. And just hold it there for a couple of seconds. Just press, press, press. and just press them into my lash line. The warmth of my fingers brings my lashes up and they come together. I don't like using eyelash curlers. Like, don't get me wrong, I have some. I hate using them. But you can definitely do that if you're comfortable with them. I just do not like them. I normally use the, what do you call this stuff? The e.l.f. Power Grip, but I used the last bit of this morning. So that's gone. So instead I'm going to use my Peter Thomas Roth Instant Firm X Glow Filter Priming Serum. Girl, that's a mouthful. This stuff is awesome too. This is going to like snatch your face. If you have oily skin, you can use a mattifying primer too. Sometimes I'll take some and put it on my nose because I'm naturally oily here, like my T-zone. Color correcting. Normally I use this one, but I'm a little bit darker now, so I'm gonna use this one. But I'm gonna mix them together because this is way too dark by itself. Because this stuff is so colorful. Like even this is probably too much. Let me take some of that off and put it over here. I'm just gonna take my finger and tap this out. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my foundation. So just put it on. I'm gonna use this for contouring. I have another one for my concealer for under eyes. I bring it all the way across my nose. I have another one for like, it's like highlighting, so just a little bit right here. Oh, I love the way this stuff blends out. For setting under my eyes, I'm just using this. This is banana powder. Since we're doing nighttime makeup, I'm gonna like carve out my cheeks here. I'm gonna go back into that same contour I used on my eyes. I just tap it where we place the contour powder. Hopefully you guys can see this line. I think you can. I can see it. I'll go across the bottom of my nose too. Because this is so warm, I do go in behind this with a powder. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Powder. It's supposed to be my shade, but it's so dark I just normally use it for contour. If I go over this with this as well, it helps cool it down a little bit and it gives it more depth. And then we just use this to like blend my makeup together. Nose is so contour. I'm just going up my powder puff to blend this out. Bobbi Brown Lone Wear Cream Liner Stick. If you want to, you can like drag it a little bit below your lash line. It out with a smudge brush. I'm gonna use some mascara on the bottom line. Ooh, girl. Normally I just do my lash pen and that's it. But since we're doing more of a night moody kind of thing, I want to put some powder on. I'm just using black eyeshadow. I'm gonna go very light because like black can be really heavy. So I'm just doing light strokes. I prefer to draw out my brows. I want to do the trend. Well, it's not a trend, but I personally like how it looks. But I want to do where it's like straight across. But I'm like so terrified to cut off the tail of my eyebrows, so I won't commit to it. So I normally just draw them on. I still have hairs out of place, but I'm just like, I don't know. Then I have like this one eyebrow hair. Can you guys see it? I don't know why, but I'm like curious to see how long it can get. So I haven't been cutting it. I just been letting it grow. I'm so weird, I know. But I just want to see how long can this thing get. Like, it's crazy to me. Like, why is it so long? Anyways, so I draw the outline first. I tend to draw mine more in and lightly. Everything I'm doing is very lightly. I'm just going to flick whatever powder is left on here up and through my brow. This is just the outline. I'm going to go in with my brow pencil too. So I normally start like towards the middle here, work my way back. This is really dark. And then go to the front. My eyebrow is just rebellious. What's going on with my highlighter? Oh, for makeup fixer spray. Ooh. Pure Color Melt On Gloss Stick, Gloss Ultra Brilliant Click Stick. Girl, these are from Estee Lauder. I just got these. We're going to try these on. I think I'm going to do this one as a base because it's darker, and then do this as a highlight in the middle. You just click it out. It's supposed to be blurring, where you can blur the lines so you can overdraw your lips and like blur it out, and it just looks natural. So we're going to see. This color's pretty. It's so natural looking. I like that. Oh, that's the first one. Ooh. I'm gonna put a little bit of this one in the center just to see if it adds a little bit more pigment. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of color on my cheeks. I think I'm gonna use this eyeshadow actually. I think I'm gonna put a little bit, I'm gonna mix these two together. Just a little bit. So tap, tap. Oh, it's so pigmented. Let me brush this off. It's so pretty. I'm gonna pinch this and just do a little bit across my nose. That's so cute. Let me fix my hair. I'll be back.